Hey y'all, what's up? Y'all already know what the fuck is up. It's your girl So Sincere, and I'm back with a vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing my hair because I'm on some bald headed whole shit right now, and it's the summertime, bitch. I can't be walking around like this, so.
See, I want it all. Yeah, I want it all.
I took out my 4 braids yesterday, and today I'm going to try another style that I seen on Instagram that I thought was really cute. I got these free twists. I'm lazy, so I got the locks already done. But I am going to unravel some and do them, like hand do them in the front, some of them, so that I can get the look and the effect that I'm going for. Hopefully this works out. I would normally use edge control, but since I don't have any, I will be using Eco Style today until the beauty spot store opens up, because it is good old Sunday. Normally I just get like the little curly hair from the beauty spot store, but I want this style to last longer, so I got a bundle. Hopefully this is some good hair. This was only $45, and I ain't bought bundles in a minute, so I don't even know how much bundles are supposed to cost. And I did not wash my hair. I just took out them 4 plaits, and I'm not washing it. I don't give a fuck. Y'all, so we probably like, it's 3 o'clock. I think I started at 11. I started at either 11 or 12, something like that. But 3-4 hours in, I'll say about 3.5 hours ago. And this is what we have. This is the first half that's done.
You lint liquor.
And they sick right now, so I'm gonna have to dip them and stuff. Get them all wet, put some mousse in it, so that they can lay how I need them to lay, and let the curly hair, the body wave hair, can do how it needs to do. Alright, that's the first half. It's officially finished. Okay, babies, so this ended up being the final look, and I do wish the curls were a lot fuller, but I do understand what I did wrong, which was not twisting the curls into the hair as I went along. But I will be sure to do that next time, and hopefully I can get the look that I'm going for.